Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Nokia 7610 Pro Max 5G. Nokia is the most trusted and oldest company in across the globe. People like the phones of this company because of its battery life and strength. If you also like smartphones of this company, then there's a good news for you, an exciting moment as the company plans for new innovation. Yes, Nokia company is ending the wait of its customers with a great smartphone. So this Nokia smartphone with a great display and good camera quality. The company has named its new smartphone Nokia 7610 Pro Max 5G, making the top-line smartphone from Nokia. It features of the Nokia 7610 Pro Max 5G smartphone is superb. Inside this smartphone, you have been given a large 7.6-inch touchscreen display with a Super AMOLED display. Apart from this, a refresh rate of 90 Hz can also be seen in it. This smartphone will work on Android 13 latest operating system, and in it you are being given a great processor of Snapdragon 888 Plus. Talking about the camera quality of this phone, the company has not given much information, but it is being estimated. It will have a 108 megapixel primary camera, while for selfies you will get a 32 megapixel camera on its front. Nokia 7610 Pro Max 5G price and battery. This smartphone will be provided with a 7200 mAh battery, which will last for a long time and will have super fast charging support. We haven't gotten the release date of this smartphone, but definitely it will be launched by the end of this year. So speaking of the price of this phone, it is being estimated that the price ranging from $200 and above. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.